video, I'm sharing easy yoga exercises that focusing on the 5 areas in the body that mostly get so much tension when you're working online, spending so much time at your work desk, or maybe whole day at your work desk. Let's relieve those tensions. The first one is our hands. Holding on the scroll mouse or working on the keyboard for long hours would make the hands easily get tense, numb or weak. So here we're gonna exercise our hands to stimulate the circulation. Rotate the wrist, stretch your hand forward, and make a fist with your thumb inside. Rotate the wrist gently for 5 times. Then reverse rotation for 5 times. Try to rotate it fully until you can feel the stretch around the wrist. Repeat again if you need. Then let's stretch the fingers. Turn your palms facing up. Then gently push the fingers facing down using the other hand. Hold for 5 seconds. Then change to the other side. Try to feel the stretch at the inner wrist. Alright, the elbows. Let's touch the shoulders with our middle finger. Then stretch, then touch again. Then stretch your hand, touch, and stretch, touch, stretch, and touch. The next area that we like to focus on is our shoulders. Sit nice and tall, and with your fingers touching on the shoulders, bring the elbows closer. Try to draw a big circle with your elbow. Do it for 5 times. And reverse rotation for 5 times. Alright, then let's fold your arms to the other side. Hold for 5 seconds. Then change to the other arm for 5 seconds. From here, slowly release your hands, then stack your elbows together. Right hand on the top. Then wrap your hands or fist your hands. Then lift your elbows to the height of your shoulders, keeping your shoulders away from your ears. Hold for 5 seconds. Then as you inhale, bring your hands slightly up, so your face facing slightly up. Exhale, bring your elbows down to your chest. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Then come back to the center, release your hands. Let's change. Stack your elbows together, this time your left hand on top. Then wrap your hands or fist your hands. Lift your elbows to the height of your shoulders. Remember to keeping your shoulders away from your ears. Hold for 5 seconds. Then as you inhale, bring your hands slightly up, so your face facing slightly up. Exhale, bring down your elbows to your chest. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Then inhale, come up facing forward, release your hands slowly. Alright, let's move to the next area, which is our neck. Look to the left as you inhale. Without moving your shoulders, exhale back to the center. Inhale, look to the right. Exhale to the center. Then inhale, chin up. Exhale back to the center. Inhale, chin towards your chest. Exhale, come up to center. Now rotate your neck 3 times slowly. Then reverse rotation 3 times slowly. This is very good to prevent the neck become stiff. Be careful, if you feel dizzy, stop it, take a few deep breaths and move on to the next one when you are ready. Now let's interlace your fingers behind your head, elbows facing to the side, open your chest, belly in, spine straight and relax. Then inhale. As you exhale, bring your chin towards to the chest and the elbows closer to each other, slightly round your back. Inhale, come up, facing slightly up, open your elbows, slightly arch your back. Exhale, down, round your back. Inhale, come up, arch your back. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Alright, then slowly relax your spine. Now, next one, let's sit nice and tall. We're working on our spine now. Both legs down, your hands still interlaced to each other behind your head. Turn your body to the left as you inhale. Exhale back to the center. Inhale to the right. Exhale back to center. Now let's inhale as you exhale. Side bend to the left, so your left elbow facing to the floor. Inhale, come up to the center. Exhale to the other side, then your right elbow facing down to the floor. Inhale, slowly up to the center. Now stretch your hands up. Your fingers still interlaced to each other and palms facing up. Lengthen up your spine. Keep your shoulders away from the ears. Now bend to the left as you exhale. Inhale, come up. Exhale to the right. Inhale back to the center. And turn your body facing to the left as you inhale. Exhale back. And inhale, turn to the right. Exhale back to the center. And slowly release your fingers, bring your hands down. And this time, grab the front side of your right chair with your left hand. So your body now twists to the right. Then your right hand holding the back of the chair. Bring the shoulders away from the ears. Don't let your shoulders come up. Try to feel the twist. Then slowly release and come back to the center. Let's do on the other side now. Grab the front side of your left chair with your right hand and your left hand holding the back of the chair. Now twist, then hold at this pose for a few seconds. Now this time you might need to move your chair away from your table. If you have a block or stool, place your feet on the block or stool. It is to make sure that your feet have a support. Then both hands on thighs and slide your hands down toward to your feet or ankles as you exhale. And as you inhale, slide up your hands. Exhale down. Inhale up. Now let's do one more time. Exhale down. Inhale up. The last area that I would like you to focus on is our hips. Sit at the front part of the chair, knees closer to each other. Now open up your legs with your knees facing to the side. Your hands you can hold or grab the side of the chair. Then close. Then open up. Then close. And open up. You can open up wider if you're quite flexible and repeat more if you wish. Now bring your left ankle to the top of the right knee. Stay at this pose or fold forward to the floor. Then stay for about 5 seconds. Now slowly come up. Then let's change to the other side, the right ankle to the top of the left. Stay for 5 seconds or more. Slowly come up and release your legs. Now let's open up our legs, both of your knees facing side out and both hands on your waist. We're going to stand up. Now as you inhale, slowly stand up. Exhale, slowly back to your chair. Sit at the front part of the chair. Inhale up. Exhale, sit. Inhale up. Exhale, sit. Let's sit on the normal position, both of your palms on your thighs. Take a few deep breaths. Inhale deeper, exhale slower. And put some gentle smile on your face. Close your eyes. Focus on your breathing. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed those simple practice. You can always repeat them as many times as you wish if you have more time or if you want better effects. Please click like if you find this video is useful, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share to your friends, colleagues if you think this would help them as well. Thank you so much for watching everyone, and I see you in the next one.